In this stretch tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to actively stretch your calf muscle at the same time as warming it up as well. So this is a fantastic stretch, however, it's used more so for plyometric athletes. So it would be a stretch where somebody's looking to come into a session, warm and stretch the calf quickly before going into a lot of jump movements. So what you're going to do is you're going to have your hand against a wall or a fixed resistance object, so you're not going to be worrying about your balance. Whatever leg that you bring behind your body is the leg that you're going to be stretching out the calf with, and whatever leg becomes in front of the body is the leg that you are not stretching your calf with. So in this position, what I want to do is have a wide staggered stance with both of my feet pointing directly forwards. And I want to come with my front knee into a position where I come into a calf stretch. So at the moment, I'm feeling around a 7 out of 10 of a calf stretch. So I'm going to hold that 7 out of 10. And then in this position, I'm now going to bring my heel up and back down and start to bounce the position of my ankle. So I'm bringing my heel, tapping the floor and coming back up. Each time I come to the bottom, I'm feeling that 7 out of 10 stretch, but I'm also getting that contractile force and a bit of warming up of the calf as well. So this is a fantastic exercise and stretch for those looking to warm up and also stretch the calf. But again, it would be used for those looking to then go into dynamic exercise. And it makes sure that when you do this, you're not coming into a 9 or a 10 out of 10 stretch, because it would be too much for this variation. If you're quickly bouncing down onto the heel and going into a 9 or 10 stretch, that's way too much. So 6 or 7 out of 10, that's your guideline for the bottom range. Once you get that, then when you come up with the heel and back down, you should be coming back down into that 6 or 7 out of 10 discomfort or stretch range.